Hello, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll show you how to turn on voice control on your iPhone 17 Pro. So, voice control feature on your iPhone 17 Pro lets you navigate your device completely hands-free, and with it you can open applications, tap buttons, and dictate text, etc, etc. So here's how to turn it on. You have to go to settings and scroll down to accessibility section, and now from this list you want to find voice control, and finally at the top you want to enable it. And as you can see here in the top left corner appeared this blue icon that basically indicates that your iPhone is listening to you, and now we can test it out. So let's say command go back, scroll down, so stuff like that. It's now working, and additionally you can open voice control tutorial and see how it looks, how it works basically. So yeah, that's basically it. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.